Hey YouTube, I restored my headlights and my husband's headlights, and I wanted to tell you how I did it. It's really simple and it was cheap. I think both of these, the kit and this headlight coating that I bought, was probably $10 a piece. So for under $20 you can restore your headlights. What you do first is you take this headlight lens repair renew, I don't know what you call it, just it's kind of like a cleanser. You're going to clean your headlights with some Windex or whatever you have and a paper towel at first, and then you're going to take this and you're going to get, I just got an old rag, and you're going to make circle motions and clean your headlights. After you do that, you're going to get some water from either, I used a jug beside me, but you can use your water hose, and you're going to wet your headlights, and you're going to sand back and forth this way horizontally with the number one side, and you're going to be rinsing as you go so that you're wet sanding. And then you're going to take this side and you're going to go the opposite way, so just back and forth again. And that is that process. You can do this, like repeat these, but the last step you're going to do is you can use the ceramic acrylic wipes. For some reason, when I swiped it over, it kind of dried on me before I got done, and it left it streaky. So Scotty Kilmer, I think it is on YouTube, he had used this product to coat them with. So instead of using the wipe, I would just go for this, and you just kind of like tape off your around your headlight. I used some like press and seal wrap. I just kind of masked off like the paint and stuff, and I just sprayed some light coatings of the headlight coating, and it went on like a charm. I'm going to leave pictures of the before and after. It'll be the thumbnail, I hope. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. And I think Scotty said this lasts over a year, and like every year you can put the headlight coating back on it. You can just cleanse it again if you need to and recoat it, and it lasts for a while. So I'm going to put in the description box after, it's been a while. I'll let you know and keep you updated in the description box of how well it holds up. I'm hoping it does last me a year. My headlights were bad, and the pictures do not do it justice, but they were really, really cloudy, and now they look so much better. So for about 20 bucks, you can refinish your headlights. I do recommend it, and I'll show you my pictures. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.